I'd like to give a warm welcome to VCC's 2025 Red Seal Recognition Ceremony. Earning a Red Seal designation is more than just an achievement. It's a national standard of excellence in the skilled trades. Today, we are proud to recognize the accomplishments of the exceptional individuals whose skill in their craft and commitment to their industry make them outstanding ambassadors for VCC and the trades community across Canada.
I equate it to professional practice. A nurse, a doctor, a lawyer goes in to practice every day and become better at the profession. You are no different than that. You go in and you practice your profession every day and hope that you're better as you walk out.
Over the next decade, BC will see more than 100,000 job openings in skilled trades. That's an enormous opportunity, and it means that your skills are more valuable now than ever. You're not just shaping your own futures, you're building the future of this province.
We have about 25,000 people who get the Red Seal in Canada each year. So you're part of a very select group of people, and you should be really, really proud. Yeah, that's right, exactly. You should be really, really proud of the work that you've done.
The Red Seal is just the beginning. Of course, you are now the new leaders, the new inspiration for the people that come behind you. That's what the Red Seal does. It is opens the door to opportunity.
Vancouver Community College is widely known and recognized as an industry-leading trades program community school. It provides trades training that sets students up for success today, tomorrow, and in the future for all the skills that we need so desperately here in our province.
The quality of education and of the graduates that comes out of Vancouver Community College is unparalleled. And we're incredibly grateful for the programs that you offer because those skills are more important than ever.
So we are thrilled that you made VCC part of your journey. Every day you step into the workplace and you want to carry that training and keep learning and bring with you the lesson that you've learned here at VCC and also the spirit of VCC and the type of institution we are in the training that we provide.